There are magnets.
Yeah, they have a bunch of stuff.
Neat. What is this? Can't get in. Neat. Hey, how much for
30 baht. 30.
each? Oh, okay.
If you buy 2 pieces, 50.
Oh, okay. 2 for 50? Okay. What if I want, like...
Oh, sorry.
Okay,
30
2 for 50.
baht, 1 piece.
Okay.
If you take 2,
Yeah.
I give discount. That's 50 baht.
Oh, okay. I got it. Cool. Thank you. Feet.
How much is it?
1 for 30, 2 for 50. It's actually not a bad deal.
1 for 30?
Yep, 2 for 50.
2 for 50.
Yep. This is...
I give this for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, shit. Where? Oh, what? Huh? Oh, sorry. Whoa. Tuk tuk. Yeah, I definitely want one. How much?
100. Lady ตรงนี้ก็มีสงสัยเขาจะชอบตีนานะใช่ชอบปั้นจักร
Oh yeah, magnets. Each for 2 for 50. There's only like gold and brown here. Oh, how much?
100.
100?
This can move นะ can move it like this.
Neat.
How much is that thing?
100.
พี่ตามันเท่าไหร่คะฮะนั่นน่ะอันไหน
Is there anything else like this?
I wonder what it is.
Huh?
Oh yeah, this is the bigger one.
No, I would just want to buy one for Brendan, that's all.
There's a bigger, no, there's a like a
The smaller one is okay. Huh?
This one's a little bit bigger than the one that we have.
How much is it?
100.
Oh, how much for the bigger one?
That one might be a little bit more.
Oh, I just need one to remember my death ride.
This one is 100?
Oh, you put it all in the bag and then
Which one is 100?
She gave you the bag. She's like, here for you.
one
And I'm like,
Oh, you put whatever
okay,
you want in there.
I guess so.
I think Brendan's gonna break it in like 2 hours.
I give it 1 hour. Like the build quality is really it's not meant to last. I'm just gonna put it on the mantle pretty much. Neat. That's pretty cool.
So if you buy more, how much is it gonna be? No discount?
I did not get that far yet.
Did you guys talk about discount? Buy 3?
Wait, not yet. If you want, I can put it together and see.
Oh, I want to get like a couple of these guys too.
You could have asked them. You could be like, hey, can you discount? Oh, look, they have this kind too. But this is a model. It's made out of a can.
Oh. Wait, does this say Thailand on it? Oh, it doesn't say Thailand.
The box says Thailand.
Oh, okay. Ah, okay, perfect. As long as it at least says Thailand, or I'm just buying a toy.
China, probably.
Oh, I want that flying monkey dude.
What?
The flying monkey dude?
Oh, the Hanuman?
That's the one.
You might have to look around for that one.
I thought I would be able to find a statue of him. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. You can start out saying what you want to buy. This bag. Thank you. You want that? Yeah. You got me yummy.
How much is that? Each, like 250, like this? 250?
I just want this. I'll put yours together and then we can start a party.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was looking for more magnets and shit.
Don't let David,
50?
Don't talk to David when you're cashing out.
Okay.
He's a very bad
Negotiator?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was gonna take a look around, see if I can see that flying monkey guy.
They have the map. No, but there's more stores. We'll go to more stores.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you don't want everything.
Oh, I got 4, so that's good enough. Oh.
He's like, I wanted to get this stuff.
Yep.
But look, Ben, I found a package. Oh, you found it?
Yeah, I like that better.
Oh, look. This is sick.
Oh, there's more magnets. Yo, these magnets are even cooler. Fuck these magnets. Oh, how much for these? Same price? Oh, okay. These are way better. Okay, that is way cooler.
So colorful.
How much is that? You know?
That one will be it.
Yo, that's sick. Sick. It doesn't say tuk-tuk.
Did they go ahead? I don't know. We also buy him a mortar and pestle.
Doesn't he have one? Oh, yo, they do have cool ones. Alright.
I was about to get more keychains, but I realized these bags all have.
Oh, is that James Bond Island?
Yeah.
Yep, cool.
How much are the magnets?
2 for 50.
We got a magnet for that.
Okay. And this guy.
What are those? Oh, just
magnets. Well, I found the crappy ones first, and then the other ones like are way nicer. Like this guy for the floating market, this guy for James Bond, and this guy for what? Just so I could say that.
Sam, look, they have a donation. Huh?
Oh, if you see the flying monkey dude, let me know. I want one.
Which flying monkey? The Hanuman.
How much is this?
2 for $50. These ones actually look way nicer than those hanging out there. I'm gonna go take a look there.
Yeah, that's the one he got.
Yo, did Christina see this? Oh, nice. Super colorful. Yeah, it looks
it's unique.
Is it with orchids?
No, it's a Chinese flower.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it looks really nice. Just gotta find.
I'll just put it together.
Oh, okay.
I'll play with you.
I need to break 1,000.
Yeah, we saw those. Oh. A little bit bigger over there.
Oh, I want to go around that side. See if I can see the Hanuman guy. No, I need flying monkey.
Oh, okay. I'm going to
Is that him? That is him. Oh, that's a weak sauce snow globe. Okay, cool. I'm good here.
Okay. I'll give you some money and you put it together.
Okay, cool. Hey, can we cash out? No. Yep.
200. Finish.
Oh, okay. Should put these down somewhere? Yep.
This one.
4 of those. Yep.
Okay. 100. And this one, 100. I give you 80 baht. For key.
80 baht for each? Anyway, we can get a bigger discount on these two?
Listen to me, please. This
Yep.
tuk-tuk,
Yep.
I told you already.
Yep.
100 baht.
Right.
Last price.
Okay.
For 200.
Any
Quickly,
discount?
quickly,
Any-
quickly.
any discount?
And magnet.
Yes.
100 baht.
Yes.
Keychain.
Right.
100. I give you discount. 80. And I give this for you.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. My neck.